Hey there, DIYers and Jeepers out there. Today we're going to try to remove a scratch on my Jeep. Let's go ahead and get to it. So about a month ago when we had Hurricane Helene come through, after 2 days of not having power, I went down to Lowe's, drove about an hour down to get it. And when I was loading it, I was being a little careless, whatever. When I had the gate down, I was loading it in. The cart that it was on had slid up underneath the gate, and I got a couple scratches here. And it looks like it didn't actually, dig in to scratch the paint, but it scratched it enough that it's definitely scratched. So I tried using regular car wax, and that didn't work. So I thought I had some Mother's car polish, but I don't. But I did find this turtle wax. I may have some other stuff down in the shed, but I'm going to try this first. Let's see what this does. This is one step color back, and this is a restorative car polish. So the fact that it's polished means it's going to have a little bit of fine grit in there to get into stuff. It doesn't say anything on the labeling here about being a scratch remover. It just says that it let's see what it says. It's for paint oxidation, road grime and old wax, insects, tree sap, and road tar. So it looks more of, getting stuff off of the thing instead of actually doing any kind of finish restoring like I'm trying to do. But let's go ahead and give it a shot. But yeah, again, I tried regular car wax and it did not work. It just basically just made it shiny. So try putting a little bit on here, seeing what we get. If this doesn't work, yeah, I'll try to find some other car polish. So making the whiteness of it go away, but I can definitely still see the scratch. I have to get a rotary buffer maybe and put on here. I think sketch is just a little more than just surface. So yeah, I don't think it really helped much. This one it might. Okay, so I did go to the auto parts store and I picked up this Mother's scratch remover. It's California Gold. So I grew up on Mother's car wax in the paste form. That's what I always waxed my my sports car with, and always had good luck with it. So that's like they had like 2 or 3 brands of various scratch removers, but I went with Mother's just from the reliability I knew. So, there's a little paper thing in there. There we go. Get that out of there. Okay. Let's get this handy dandy little applicator here. So put some here on the towel, and then let's rub this in and see what we get. Looks like I put a little more than I needed. This didn't feel like it was scratched down into the paint where it removed a coating. It was just like the surface. I don't know if that's what the clear coat. This maybe helped a little bit here. Okay, let's do this side. I think it is helping. I don't think it's quite 100%. Might have to do one more application. Let's see what that looks like. Well, so looks like it did lighten it up. Definitely doesn't seem to be as noticeable. This one definitely down a little bit more. Let's see if I can put a little bit more finger pressure into this one, a little more elbow juice. See if I can't get that thing to come off there. Right on my nail across there, I can feel a little bit of a groove. So it's like it did come into the clear coat a bit, but I don't think it went down below that. So it's just, yep, I think I was just gonna take a little bit more work. Couldn't hit this other one, so this spot again here. That one's looking a lot better. I nearly got that one. This one, like I said, is definitely deeper. Yeah, it's gonna take a lot more work to get that one. Oh my goodness, this is like all the little superficial scratches that were there before. Swirl marks. It removed all that. This is like nice, beautiful, smooth. Yeah, so I noticed over on the passenger side door where I have a bunch of little superficial scratches from my wife's fingernails. So I'll be able to get all those out, it looks like. We're nearly there on that one. You can see, it's like you can see the removal of the clear coat, but the scratch itself has definitely been lessened like crazy. That looks real nice. Way better. So again, I just have to work on this a little bit more. So I'm actually happy with that. That looks good. So anyway, I'll work on this a little bit more, but I tell you, for all these superficial scratches, you know, the like limbs or again nails along the door opening, all that, this seems to work really good. And this was actually the least expensive of the 4 brands at the car shop that they had. This was the cheapest, but again, knowing what I knew about mothers, it definitely did the job. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, hit the bell for notifications for upcoming videos, and until next time,